Hello, David from the worst YouTube channel ever. Your package is finally arrived to my postal office. I will now go and take it, and today I will make this review for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the worst YouTube channel ever. Find it this wonderful car. Just look here, guys. Nice casting anyway. I really like the roof of this car. Very nice. Very funny. It's looking like it's a Saab or something like this. But it's not a Saab. It's a Polonaise. First time I see a car like this in my life. And that's wonderful. A very crowded place. And the box from David's worst YouTube channel ever finally arrived in the mildy condition. We will need to make open of this wonderful mail box. I didn't know what David put inside of this box, and it will be very interesting to open it with you and look inside. Look on each item what David included in this box. So don't forget, guys, to subscribe to the worst YouTube channel ever. It was the first part where I take away this box from my postal office. I hope you like this video, guys. Do wait to part 2 where I will unbox this item. Please write in the comments, and we will make unboxing in nearest future. So stay tuned. Wait for part 2, and we will make unboxing of this wonderful package from David's worst YouTube channel ever. The link to his channel will be in description. You should subscribe to this wonderful channel, guys. David, thank you very much for package, for box. I'm so excited what will be inside. So I'm also waiting for unboxing of this package.